In this video, I will tell you that how to do a voice filter on TikTok. So first of all, we will open up the TikTok application here, and then I will just tap on this plus icon, and then I will just record a video here. Okay. So here you can see that I have record this video here. I will tap on next here, but before tapping on the next, you can see this option here, which is voice editing, and now you can see different kind of voice filters here. Okay, so let's suppose that if I want to like add this sound here, I will tap on this one, and then I will play this video. So this is the video that I am recording here, and now if I want to actually add this one, so this is the video that I am recording here. So that's how to do the voice filter on TikTok. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.